This weekend, we're camping at Shenango River Lake in western Pennsylvania. We're usually trying to find the most secluded spots in the middle of nowhere when we're venturing out on our camping trips. But this time, we opted for a more popular campground surrounded by over 300 spots. For a weekend getaway that's under 2 hours from Pittsburgh, with plenty to do, beautiful views, and a chance to sit and unplug and hang out by the water, it's a solid choice. We stayed here for 2 nights and picked campsite 125, a waterfront site with awesome views of sunrise. So come along with us for a weekend by the water. Not quite the quiet escape we're used to, but a weekend full of new experiences, unexpected charms, and plenty of good times.
Lakeside campsites.
We got our tent site set up in this beautiful lake, and we are now headed to swim at Chestnut Run Beach.
We made it to the beach. As you can see, there's a very large parking lot.
Dad, look at this little dog.
There's a beach at this lake, and we were just saying how it's really lovely. It's big. It's not really that crowded. It's a sandy beach. So if you expand to the right, there we're gonna go paddle somewhere up that way in an hour or something whenever we're done swimming. And that's an area that should have less boats. I just want to float on the water, paddle without falling in, and check out the wildlife.
Yeah, just a nice relaxing day. After spending the day at the beach, we made our way over to one of the 6 free boat launches on the lake. Parker's Landing is down a gravel road and has a nice sized parking lot with a concrete ramp. It's still hot.
Launching from Parker's Landing. Looks to be a beautiful afternoon. We are on a section of the lake that has 10-mile-per-hour horsepower limit. The rest of the lake has unlimited. So we're hoping to get a good paddle in for the late afternoon. You ready?
Let's go. I'm excited.
Me too. First time on this lake.
We're here on the west side of Shenango Lake. We have it all to ourselves. It is 9,000 degrees outside. I have 50 layers of sunblock on. We get nice and burnt up today. Let's have a wonderful time. Carrie's super excited about it.
There's 3 boats. They're all anchored. Nobody else is got but us.
There's Carrie flying sunblock layer number 5,000. There's no clouds in the sky. Super sunny, super hot.
We're gonna have a tan line on my leash. What's it called? Craft for the Ghost? Another dimension?
You going in first?
I don't know.
Maybe. It looks like the middle section's falling. Gonna fall down.
Looks like it's gonna fall apart.
Yeah.
It's like what's the one that go down? Stalactites? Wow, we're in a jungle. Oh wow, interesting. These down trees.
Yeah.
Well, that was fun. That was unexpected. I don't know, you can only spend so many hours actually on the water. It gets really hot. Although I say that and then we do our river trips and we out on the water for 10 hours.
Just across from the trestle. It's a nice little beachy spot. Oh, someone set up a little fire ring. If we were in the Adirondacks, that'd be a camping spot. We made it halfway around the lake, and now the wind is pushing us the opposite way we want to go. So we'll have the wind going against us when we return.
Henry, what do you think? Should we make a cut for the other side or not?
We can.
Lake crossing, girl, is interesting. I didn't think there was going to be much wind. All of a sudden it's windy. Let's time it. 5:35. Crossing the lake. Okay, we're making some progress. They're stopping.
No, if you stop, you'll be back 50 yards. It took us 10 minutes to get across the lake. Let's get in the shade. I don't know. Don't really want to question why there's a shovel there. Got another beautiful moon up in the sky. Moonlight paddle. There is no one else with us in this section of the lake. We have it all to ourselves.
Was that a squeal?
What? A squirrel?
Squeal.
What's that mean?
Eagle squeal.
Oh. You can hear the baby eagle up there. I saw there it is.
On our way back to the launch, we passed an island with a baby deer calling out for his mama. There was nothing we could do at that point. You're not supposed to touch the deer, but we let a ranger know that was passing by.
Bye, baby deer. Here we are coming back to the launch. Another wonderful day paddling. A beautiful lake.
3 hours.
3 hours. We did around 3.5 miles. Kind of in the middle of the lake, we just turned around. Saw a few deer. One baby crying deer over there. Saw a few eagles, an eagle's nest.
Blue heron.
A few blue herons. One flew right by us, and of course that was the 2 minutes I wasn't recording. But awesome trip.
If you don't have, if you have a non-motorized vessel and want to hit this lake up, highly recommend parking at Parker's Landing.
Yeah.
Heading under the trestle, and then you can explore this massive section of lake that has, well, tonight, like 3 boats.
Yeah. It's a max of 20 horsepower, and it's a lot shallower than the other one, so
Beautiful.
it was nice. Yeah, beautiful sections.
What a day on a beautiful lake. Now it's time to settle into our campground to enjoy an evening by the fire.
There's little kids running all over the place. Very active campground. We're just gonna hang out by the fire, looking at the beautiful lake.
Hot or so good? Do you think there's enough Alfredo, or do you want the second
I think we have enough Alfredo.
Okay.
Can you go away, Mr. Skunk? Thank you, bud. You're just hanging out. Just don't squirt. You having a good time?
Every time you go with a possum and a skunk, look like. I looked at him like, well, he's much furrier than a possum.
Good times. It's just a skunk. What are those noises? Is it a bear? No, it's a skunk. Or a raccoon. Yep. He's having fun.
We have an early start.
It's already noon. We're just sitting by the lake enjoying the views.
In the shade, mind you.
It's a gorgeous lake. There's no restrictions on boats around here, so we just see a ton of speedboats and jet skis, and it's fun watching. And we have a nice little Sunday plan. We're gonna finish up breakfast here. I'm gonna head over to Chestnut Run to go to the beach, stay for an hour or two, and head over to Parker's Landing. So we're gonna have a nice chill day on Shenango Lake. You ready for a fun day?
I'm ready for them. Enjoying sitting by the lake.
No.
Too. Watching the boats. It'll be 5 degrees today?
Yeah. Uh-oh, is that the Rangers yelling at that guy?
Wow, they are. It's about their job.
Yeah.
I want to get out of this section. Now it's down behind that one cloud.
It was super cloudy like 20 minutes ago. Didn't think we were gonna get anything nice. And we were treated to this. Not too bad. This is how I fall in.
Oh, that's not even in the camera.
Probably not. We are finishing up our sunset paddle on Shenango River Lake. It is stunningly gorgeous on this lake. Look how clear this water is. Like Lake Placid tonight. Yeah, we're the only people out here. No other boats, canoes, kayaks, nothing. And we saw a spectacular sunset.
Saw lots of fish jumping and birds diving.
Yeah, that was awesome. We love this lake already. I mean,
yeah.
Just quickly, one of our favorites, the beach. It's a top 5 beach within the Pittsburgh area.
For a non-issue.
It's got sand, it counts.
We judge by rivers and lakes, our beaches. Takes us at least 5.5 hours to get to an actual beach.
Yeah.
Now I'm hungry.
I just fed you, girl.
We were supposed to have salads on the lake.
No. Sunset took up all of our time.
That's it.
Oh, that's nice and purple.